Welcome to a quick but captivating exploration of cats, the beloved companions that have captured our hearts for centuries. In this 5-minute journey, we'll dive into the fascinating world of these enigmatic felines, exploring their origins, behaviors, and unique characteristics that make them such cherished members of our families. Greetings, cat lovers, and welcome to a closer look at our feline friends. Cats, with their graceful movements and mysterious demeanor, have long fascinated and enchanted humans. Join us as we embark on a whirlwind tour of the world of cats, unraveling the secrets of their evolution, behavior, and special bond with humans. Cats come in a remarkable array of shapes, sizes, and personalities, from the sleek and sophisticated Siamese to the fluffy and affectionate Maine Coon. With over 70 recognized breeds and countless variations, cats exhibit an astonishing diversity that reflects their long history of domestication and selective breeding. Cats are renowned for their complex behaviors and unique forms of communication. From the twitch of a tail to the flick of an ear, cats use a subtle body language to convey their emotions and intentions. Whether they're kneading their paws in contentment or arching their backs in fear, cats have a rich repertoire of behaviors that reflect their innate instincts and social dynamics. Maintaining the health and well-being of our feline companions is essential for ensuring a happy and fulfilling life. From regular veterinary checkups to a balanced diet and plenty of mental stimulation, providing proper care for cats is paramount. Learn about common health issues affecting cats, such as dental disease, obesity, and urinary tract problems, and discover tips for keeping your furry friend in top shape. As our journey through the world of cats comes to a close, let us celebrate the special bond we share with these remarkable creatures. Whether they're curled up on our laps or prowling through the garden, cats bring joy, companionship, and endless entertainment into our lives. May we continue to cherish and care for our feline friends, ensuring they receive the love and respect they deserve. Thank you for joining us on this brief but delightful exploration of cats.
Vita. Dar. Ahoj.
Čau.
A já šmoulu malýho.
Ne?
Ale v tom případě můžeme vyrazit. Ne. Díky, prosím tě. My to tu vůbec nevíme. Buď to ta banda se striktů rozhodne sama nějaké věci způsobem. Oni to neví ani sami. Já bych řešil teď vůbec, já bych tam přišel. Ale já bych se jen vystrávil. Jako,